No more overhead welding. 5 tons, robotic welding system, designed specifically for bucket manufacturing. Simply import the offline program and start welding immediately. Skyhook 2-axis positioner, plus or minus 180 degrees tilting to eliminate vertical welding defects. Workpiece quick change device for fast production changeover. XYZ 3-axis linkage, long welding seam in one go. UT testing pass rate of 100%. STUAA welding, expert welding process. Quality of welded workpiece.